Now you understand why and where to invest. Next, we'll discuss the facts before investing. Investing is a great way to build wealth, but it's important to be prepared. Risk and return are closely linked. Higher risk can lead to higher returns, while lower risk typically results in lower returns. Before you dive in, make sure you're aware of these things. 1. Know your goals. Know what you're investing for, be it retirement, a new home, or education. 2. Understand your risk. Understand how much risk you can handle and invest accordingly. Example, can you handle market fluctuations? 3. Do your own research. Investigate before you invest. Know the basics of the market, the asset classes, and the companies you're interested in. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset types to minimize risk. 5. Stay updated. Keep up with financial news and market trends. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. 5. Have a plan. Develop an investment strategy and stick to it. Tip: always avoid making decisions based on emotions. 5. Emergency fund. Make sure you have an emergency fund before investing. This ensures you won't have to sell investments at a bad time if you need cash. 6. Professional advice. If you have lack of knowledge, consider consulting with a financial advisor, especially if you're new to investing. Professional guidance can be invaluable. Tip from Money Moves: investment in equities is a great option. It is known to beat inflation over a long period. Historically, equity investment has generated returns close to 14–15%. However, equity investments can be risky. Invest smart and watch your wealth grow. Subscribe Money Moves for more investment tips and strategies.